It's about to start. Look at that. Look at that. Crazy. So it begins. Oh man. This is sketch. Wow, this is some not if you're afraid of heights, that's all I gotta say. You can actually see the old path underneath. This just goes straight. It just goes straight over, man. It's just straight over. Look at how amazing that's eroded. Like, these are the kind of canyons in like Utah where you'd get those cool slot canyons. There's a trail right up there. That's amazing. Wow, look at these just crazy limestone formations. Man, I love that you can see the old path. Yeah, you can still see it through the slats. Quite remarkable. Wow, look at that bridge. No way. Nope. Nope. I know I keep forgetting, like, every time I take my phone out, I gotta be careful, because if it falls... Here's a really great section showing the old section of the trail. Right here, going underneath. Just no guardrails whatsoever. Wide open. Even with guardrails, it feels very unsafe. All right, getting back up to the sketchy stuff.
Back at it.
Okay, heading back up.
Old.
Whew, these stairs are like super small.
Straight up.
Whoa, here we go. Back out onto the floating skyway. Look at how far down that is. The train bridge, or the train tunnel, is super cool. Yeah. That doesn't inspire confidence. All the rock fall nets from above. Man, look, it's just, what? Now that is, yeah, if you're afraid of heights, that's no bueno. it's what? Got a death grip on my camera. Look at that person just perched out over the top of the old trail too. That's wild that you can see that. So here's the old path. It goes around over to that lookout point. Jeez, look at this part of the old path. It's just eroded away. Oh, it's terrifying. Here comes the bridge. Yeah, look at how steep that slot is. What? Look at this. This is bonkers. Look at this. I can't even. I can't even. Gosh, it's just. Oh, gear. Man, what? Beautiful formations. What's the max number of people on this? 10? Yeah, I might wait. I might wait a few people. Oh man! Wow, that is so far down. All right, phone is secure.
I think it's safe.
Phone is secure. Water is secure. I am absolutely sketched right now. Mama. Oh, it's moving. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Ah.
This is the same.
Oh, this is okay. I need to hug the wall for a minute. Oh my god. It's like it just goes off into the abyss. Oh my gosh. Woo. Yeah, this is definitely the scariest part for sure.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm just glad there's still some of that old path below us, because that would look even worse if it was just gone.
Well, that's true. I mean,
Oh my gosh. Oh. So precipitous.
time to wake us up.
What an amazing river though. Oh, look at this. This is crazy. Ooh, windy. Made it to the end of the boardwalk here. Just got to go over the tracks and then it's basically a trail all the way back down to the train. Man, that was sketchy. You could still see the trail beneath us, the old one. There's a few places where it just doesn't exist. We're still high enough up where a fall would definitely be fatal. But pretty soon here we'll be back on terra firma. Man, that bridge. Oh, look at this. God. Don't drop your phone here. Oh my gosh, look at through the stairs. Oh man, no. No. Oh, that is, yeah. Wow. Oh. You just had to point that out. That's pretty cool. Oh, we're finally over ground.
Well, almost.
Almost. Non-fatal ground. Yeah. Oh, here's the gate. We made it. We made it to the end. Yes!